So ito ang ating breakfast. Nagluto ako ng bacon. Ilagay ko siya sa ating quesadilla or burrito. I don't know how to call this. So ito ang ating 3 eggs. I-whisk natin siya. And then we are going to season our eggs. So ito ang ating breakfast, beans, egg, and tortilla. So I don't know kung anong itawag ko dito. Tortilla na folded or quesadilla without the cheese. I have cheese, guys, but I don't like to add cheese in my breakfast. So I will call this burrito, folded burrito, or quesadilla without a cheese. All right. So if you add your egg, make sure na you have to slap your tortilla, guys. Slap your tortilla while the egg is cooking so that it will stick to your tortilla. So ayan siya, napaka-simple lang niya. And then you have to flip it over if it's already cooked. Voila! So ayan, perfect na perfect siya. And our eggs and beans stick to our tortilla. And then since I don't like to add cheese in my tortilla, guys, so I will just add ham and then fold it. That's it. Perfect breakfast. You call this burrito or you call this quesadilla. I don't know. Just choose. No problem. As long as you eat it, you don't need to know what you call your breakfast. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Isn't that nice na ganito siya? It's a little bit brownish. So you have to cook each side if you flip it over, guys. And then this is perfect. Since this is burrito or quesadilla, all we have to do is to eat this one with picante sauce. So ayan siya, guys. Ang pangalawa nating burrito or quesadilla. I messed up, guys. What makes it a burrito? Dahil para siyang pipe, or what makes it quesadilla? So I don't know. I call this quesadilla dahil it looks like a quesadilla, but what's inside is a burrito ingredients. Oh my gosh. Okay, so no problem, guys. So luto na ang ating quesadilla. Yan siya, very easy. If you cook a quesadilla, guys, make sure that your pan and your tortilla magka the same ang sizes nila. If your tortilla is 10 inches, and then use a 10-inch pan. If your tortilla is 6-inch, since this is maliit lang siya, I use a 6-inch pan. Dahil if malaki siya, guys, hindi makasya ang itlog, lalabas, diba? Para kasya siya, oh. Tingnan mo nga siya. You just flop your tortilla. Wow, ready na ang ating breakfast. Ayan siya, nakagawa ako ng 3. Ang isa kinain na ni Daddy. Okay, breakfast is ready. Sa mga bata naman, nagpabili sila ng biscuits. So, ayan, si eldest ko gumawa ng kanyang breakfast. And gusto nila ng biscuits with turkey na gravy. So, they have to make a white sauce for that. And then, meron kami ditong turkey na parang ready to cook na siya, guys. And then you have to just mix it together with your white sauce. So, masarap ang breakfast nitong dalawa. Yum yum. At least, si Mami hindi na nagawa ng breakfast sa mga bata. Kung anong gusto nila, they have to cook. Malaki na sila, di ba? Ito ang white sauce ng kanilang biscuits. Masarap, di ba? O, tingnan mo, perfect. First time lang nilang nagluto ng white sauce. Marunong na sila, guys. They just follow the instruction and then our kids will know how to cook. You have to just be there with them para hindi masunog, di ba? So, yan, tingnan mo yung biscuits. Perfect ang pagkagawa ng biscuits. Although, in a can siya, pero nakaluto sila ng breakfast nila. So, libre na si mami sa pagluto. So, ayan siya, ang breakfast ng mga bata. Gravy and biscuits. I already ate my breakfast, but they want me to try their biscuits. So, ayan na siya. Test, guys. Looks good. So, mommy will have here a dami. Wait, where did you get that Filipino coffee? I thought we were running out of that already. Oh, really? I don't like that one.
Has Daddy eaten breakfast yet?
Oh, yeah. Daddy eat this. Mine. I think I have to start exercising today. I can feel my body's bloating. Nothing to do, guys. Eat, cook, eat, sleep. Just eat. And would you like to eat my burrito? What is this? Oh my gosh, what I forgot to this one is the cheese. Burrito. No, this is not burrito. Wait, what do you call this? It's a breakfast, Mexican breakfast, guys.
Enchilada.
Enchilada. Comment below if you know what's this. So what I did is I put some beans in it. Yeah, it's supposed to be burrito really, but then I didn't wrap it, but I just fold it on top. Oh, good. I had egg, beans, and of course the rum. Not bad. And bacon. So this is my Starbucks mug from Kazakhstan. Thank you, Helen. Dahil bigay ito sa kaibigan kong Chinese. Our neighbor in Kazakhstan, but I didn't put it there. But my friend gave it to me. She met me in London and brought this to me. Very yummy. Oh, this coffee is so good. Ooh. So you have biscuits? Mga kagaskas na maringgan ninyo guys, kagaskas sa pan. So I think who's that YouTuber that has an exercise thing?
thing.
Hmm?
I was trying to start that today. I was like, oh.
Chloe?
Ting.
Chloe? Oh. I think guys, I have to start the Chloe Tang exercise. Dahil, oh my God. Tingnan mo pati dito po, ang taba bumababa. Ang taba bumababa. Ang braso ni Mercedes. Grabe. Wait, did you start the thing exercise?
No, I wanted to though.
Whisk.
With a whisk.
Yeah, because that starts there. You cannot use that one though. It will stick together fast. Hold the pan, keep whisking.
1.5. How long is that? Yeah.
Oh. Did you add butter in there?
No.
So you just melt and
Yeah.
well,
It's supposed to be gravy for biscuits.
yeah. So what seasoning are you going to add with that?